Hello everyone, today we are going to learn triplets. Triplet is this sign here. The number 3 on top of the notes is a group of 3 notes played in the time of 2 of the same kind. It means, for example, you have 3 notes with a sign of triplets is actually equals to only 2. Without a triplet, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3, but with a triplet, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is only equals to 2 of them, which is only this. So let's put it in the number 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3. But if you have 1 plus 1 plus 1 with a triplet sign, this is only equals to 2. So 1 crochet normally equals to only 2 quavers, right? But if we put a triplet sign, equals to 3. So let's quiver, quiver, quiver. This is half count, half count, half count. It will be equals to 1 dotted crochet, right? But 1, 2, 3 with a triplet is only equals to 1 crochet. So equals to only 2 of them, which means each of these become 1/3. When you play 1 count, we count 1, 2, 3. Triplet 1, 2. So each count 3 notes. It became 1/3. So the example here, semi-brief is 4 counts, right? 4 crochet equals to minim plus minim, 2 plus 2. But if you have 2 plus 2 plus 2 with a triplet sign, is only equals to 2 of them. And minim 2 counts equals to 1 plus 1. But with a triplet sign, 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 crochet equals to 2 quavers, or it could be 3 quavers with a triplet sign. So if you clap this 1 count, quiver, it becomes half and half. But triplet, a third each, 1. Okay? Same goes for quavers, equals to 2 semi-quavers or 3 semi-quavers with a triplet sign. So without triplet sign, for example, 3 minims, 1, 2, 3, this will be equals to 6 count. This plus this. Or in the future you will learn this knot. But with a triplet sign, remember, it's only, you can cover either one, equals to 2 of this. That's why it's only equals to 1 semi-brief. Now in this case, there are more than 3 notes, but it can be equals to 3 equivalent notes, right? So this is 1 quiver, this is another quiver, this is another quiver. Total is also 3 quavers. With a triplet sign, it's equals to 1 crochet, which is only 2 of the quiver. This is also the same thing. This can be 2 quavers, 1 quavers. 3 quavers, this equals to 1 crochet or 2 quavers. The rest is also the same. 1, 2, 3 equals to only 2 of it. And then dotted quiver, semi-quiver, and quiver. This is also equals to a crochet, because these 3, if without a triplet sign, is actually 3 quavers, right? This dot and this one makes this one is this, but with a triplet sign, we just take 2 of them, it comes to here, become a crochet only. This can be 2 quavers plus a quiver here, 3 of the same thing. With a triplet sign, just take 2 of them, it's equals to 1 crochet again. Okay, so let's look at the questions. Write 1 note, just 1 note, which will last as long as the group of the notes. So 3 of this equals to 1 crochet. So 3 of the same kind, just take 2 quavers equals to 1 crochet. 3 minims equals to only like 2 minims or 1 semi-brief. Now 3 semi-quavers, just take 2 semi-quavers, makes 1 quiver. Now this is 1.5 count plus half. Half, right? Half makes 1. This is also a crochet, also 1. Total is 3 with a triplet sign. So makes 2, which is just a minim. Now 1, 2, 3, 3 crochet, 2 crochet equals to 1 minim. 1 minim, 1 minim, another minim, 2 minim is 1 semi-brief. 3 quivers, 2 quivers is 1 crochet. 3 semi-quivers, so 2 semi-quivers is 1 quiver. Next page, add a triplet sign where necessary to make these bars fit their time signatures. So 2 fours, you only need 2 counts in a bar. You must have only 1 here and 1 here. So put a triplet sign. 1 quiver, 2 quivers, 3 quivers, right? A triplet sign over here. You can put on top also actually. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is 1 count. This is half. Quarter plus quarter plus quarter is too much, right? So a triplet sign over here makes this all equals to only half counts. So 1 plus half is just nice, 2. 3, 4, you only need 3 crochet, but you have 4. So make this 3 into 2 counts only. We take 3. Otherwise become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 1, 2, 3, put a triplet, become only 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 2, 4, 1 crochet, 2 crochet. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Let's make this 3 into 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Now 1, 2, 3 already. The 4th count here equals to 1.5, right? So that's why this 2 knot, although it's only 2 knot, you can still put a triplet sign here because it equals to 3 quivers. And then from 3 quivers, you put a triplet sign, it became only equals to 2 quivers. Then just nice, total is 1 crochet here. 2, 4, 3 quivers here, make it 2 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, right? So here, okay, this one here. The first, second count, third count. 4, 4, this is already 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5 again, right? So these 3 count, make it into 2. 2, 2, you only need 2 minim for the whole thing, but you have 3. So just like this. This and this is very similar. Just put a triplet sign either here or here is fine. So let's choose here. This is 1 count, this is the second and third count. 3, 8, we need 3 quivers. 1, 2, 3. 2 semi-quivers equals to 1 quiver. Now 2, 2, you need 2 minim. This is already 1 minim. This is half minim. This is half extra with this 1 quiver here, right? So make this into 2 quivers. And then this is first count, this is second count. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, but this is extra. So yeah, like this. Now 1, 2, in 3, 8 we count in quiver. So this is already 1 quiver. This plus this makes another quiver. This 3, put a triplet to make the third count. Okay, let's move on. Now this is coloring. Color the caps of the animals according to the value of the triplets. 4 counts with red color. So I don't have color pencil. So this 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, but with a triplet sign left with 2 plus 2, 4. So this is a semi-brief. I just do the sign here, okay? This is red color. 3 quivers equals to only 2, which is equals to 1 crochet. This will be yellow color. Now 3 quivers again, with a triplet sign, same, also a yellow color crochet. Now elephant, this is a minim. 1 crochet, 2 crochet, 3 crochet takes 2 only, so become a minim. Here is supposed to be blue color. Now the bird is 3 minim, so 2 minim equals to 1 semi-brief only. Let's go to the snake. 3 crochets equals to only 2 of it, which is a minim, which is blue color. Now monkey. Semiquiver, semiquiver, semiquiver. Just take 2. 2 semiquivers equals to 1 quiver. So this is green color. Last one, the bees. 2 semiquiver, also a quiver. So also a green color here. Let's add bar lines. 4, 4. We need 4 counts in a bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar line here. 1 crochet, 2 crochet, 3 crochet, 4 crochet, bar line. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Because with a triplet sign, this 2 equals, this 3 equals to only 2, which is a minim. So 1, 2, 3, 4, finish. Now 2, 2, we need 2 minim in a bar. This makes 1, this makes another 1, bar line. 1, 2, bar line. 1, 2, bar line. 1, 2, bar line. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, bar line. 1, 2, 3. 1 and a half plus half 2 plus 1, 3. These 3 crochet with a triplet sign makes 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is half past quarter. And then 1/8 each, right? But 1/8, 1/8, 1/8 with a triplet sign equals to only 2. This makes another 1/4. So total of this is only 1 crochet. So first count, second count, third count, fourth count, bar line. This is 1, this is 2, 3, and 4. 2, 2, 2 minims in a bar. 1 minim, 2 minims, because this actually equals to 3 crochet, right? But just take 2 of it, 1 minim. 1, 2, 3 crochet with a triplet sign makes 2. Same goes for this bar line here. And 1 minim, 2 minim. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, bar line. 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 1, 2, 3. Now 3, 2. 1, 2 only equals to 2 minim plus 1 makes 3. 1, 2 minim, 3 minim. 1.5 minim plus half makes 2. Here is another minim, 3. 1, 2 minim, 3 minim also. 2, 4, 1, 2. 3 quivers makes only 2 quivers, which is 1 crochet. So this is 1 crochet, 2 crochet, bar line. 1.5 plus half, 2. 1, 2. Half count plus quarter, 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 but with a triplet sign, so only quarter, quarter, and half makes 1, another 1. So 1 count until here is the second count. 3, 8. You only need 3 quivers in a bar. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 of these makes into only 2 of these. 1, 2, 3. These 2 makes 1 quiver. These 3 makes 2 quiver plus another quiver, bar line. 1, 2. Whole group of this equals to only 1 quiver, so 3 here. 1, 2, 3, finish. Last questions. 1 count, 2 count, bar line. 1, 2, bar line. 1, 2, bar line. This all makes 1. This is also 1, bar line. 1, 2, line 1, 2, finish. Next, we will learn minor key. We have two types of minor key. One is called harmonic and another one is called melodic. So, ascending and descending. Ascending means going up, descending means going down. So, in harmonic minor, you only need to raise the 7 note a semitone. So you count from the bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is note number 7. Make it 1 semitone higher. And backwards also same thing. Of course, we count from the back, from the bottom to the top, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will be the 7 note. Raise a semitone. So A minor actually comes from C major. It's one pair. C major pair with A minor. C major has no sub, no flat. Naturally, A minor has no sub, no flat as well. But A minor, there is a rules of the minor, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. This is note number 7. We need to raise 1 semitone higher, so G become G sharp. When you go down, it will be the same. So the next page is the table of the key signature. C major, no sub, no flat, pair with A minor. G major, 1 sharp, E minor. So E minor also have F sharp. Next you will have D major and A major, but we will not learn the minor for now. F major, you have B flat. D minor will also have B flat. So from major to minor, you got to memorize. Otherwise, you count 3 semitones down. So C to A is 3 semitones down. If you forgot, let's say you remember C is the major. What is the minor? You forgot. Then you count 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. You got A minor. For example, you have G major. What is the minor? If you've forgotten, then you count 3 steps down, semitones, 1, 2, 3. And you got E minor. Let's go back to minor first, type of minor. So harmonic minor, raise only note number 7. Whether it go up or go down, ascending, descending, it's the same. You only need to raise note number 7. But when you have a melodic minor, let's look at A minor first. A minor harmonic just now A minor melodic. When you go up, raise note number 6 and 7 as stated here. 6 and 7 for ascending, descending lower 6 and 7, which means when you have descending, it has no additional sharps. So it's same as the major key. Whatever you have in the major key, you have it in the minor key. For example, A minor. When you go up, note number 6 is here, note number 7 is here. F become F sharp, G become G sharp. When you go down, just put back to natural. It's not purposely making it lower to flat. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. This is go up, right? You have F sharp, G sharp. Because you have sharp here, that's why when you go down, you need to put it back to natural. But if the question only asks for descending, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, this is backwards. 7 and 6, the note will be these two, right? We don't have to lower it, not lower down to make it G flat, F flat, no. Just leave it as it is. A minor come from C major, right? C major has no sharp, no flat. So just like this is already correct, the way it is. So let's look at another example. E minor. E minor come from G major, right? G major has F sharp, therefore E minor also comes with F sharp. They put key signature here, F sharp, but the additional sharp cannot put it in front as the key signature. You have to put it on the note as accidentals. Okay, so all melodic or harmonic accidentals, put it on the note. Do not put it in front. 7 note, you need to raise. 7 note, you need to raise, whether up and down. And all these are just the semitone signs. So in major scale, you have only 2 semitones, right? 3, 4, 7, 8. Now in minor scale, you have 3 for harmonic. When you go up and go down. because up and down is the same. D minor come from F major, that's why you have B flat. So you have B flat here, 7 note, raise it 1 semitone up, becomes C sub. So you have C sub here. Now we look at melodic. Goes to E minor. E minor come from G major, have F sharp. And then F sharp here, raise note number 6, note number 7, put it as accidental. When you go down, you don't need the 6 and 7 sub anymore, just put it back to natural. You will still have your F sharp because E minor come from G major, you have F sharp and it's already here in the key signature, so you don't need to put sharp here already. It's automatically sharp. Now D minor. So let's look at the descending first. D minor come from F major. F major only have B flat. So when you go down for the melodic minor, the notes start from D because it's D minor. It doesn't start from F. But inside the flat is the same as the major. So F major has B flat. D minor only have B flat. That's all. It's the same. Now D minor melodic, go up 6 and 7 you need to raise. D, E, F, G, A, B flat because it's B flat. But you need to raise it 1 step up, right? B flat go up 1 semitone, become B natural. You see? This is B flat here. Go up 1 step, become B natural. That's why you have to put a natural sign, because in front here has flat, you need to cancel the flat, put a natural here, it became a B natural, and C sub here because you raise the 7 note. When you come down, do not raise anything, the key signature follow the major scales, therefore C become natural, put back your B flat. Because this is the same bar. Remember the rules of accidentals? In the same bar, it follows the last one, right? If this is natural and you do not do anything here, it will also be a natural. So we need to return it back to flat, right? So put flat here. So descending D minor, we only have B flat, same as the F major. Okay. So again, we look at this. This is the table that you will need to memorize in grade 2. C major, no sub, no flat. G major, 1 sharp, F sharp. D major, 2 sharp, F sharp and C sharp. Remember, this is 5 step up, 5 tone up, not semitone. Yeah? If you forgotten, D to A also 5. Yeah, C, D, E, F, G. G, A, B, C, D. You got D major. D, E, F, G, A, and you got A major, 3 sub. Same goes for the sub. F sharp, F, G, A, B, C, C, D, E, F, G. And for the flat is 4 by 4. F major, B flat major, E flat major. 1 flat, 2 flat, 3 flat. And for the minor, you only have A minor, which is no sub, no flat. E minor, 1 sharp, F sharp. D minor, B flat. And so the key signature of a minor key is the same as its relative major. So 1 pair. C major, A minor, this is called relative. And to find its relative major, go up 3 semitones. So this is, if you know the minor key but you've forgotten the major key, then you count 3 semitone ups. So C major to A minor, you go down 3 semitones, right? But if you want to go A minor to C major, of course, just the opposite direction. Just go up 3 semitones. Okay, so if you know D minor, but you don't know what is the major, count 3 steps up. 1, 2, 3. If you know the major, don't know the minor, count 3 steps down. Okay, so let's move on to the exercise. Write scales without key signature and mark semitones with bracket and fill in the form. So you can choose whether you want a harmonic or melodic. The first one is asking for D minor ascending without key signature, so don't put it here. D minor comes from F major, you have B flat, right? So remember to put B flat later. Ascending, let's do from the bottom. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. So let's choose harmonic first for this one, the easier one. Go up or down, whether ascending or descending. For harmonic, you just need to raise note number 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This note you will raise. C becomes C sub. And D minor comes from F major, right? You have to put in your B flat and mark semitone. D to E is not, E to F. And then F to G is not, G to A is not, A to B flat to C sub is not, C sub to D it is. So in minor harmonic ascending, it's note number 2 and 3, no longer 3 and 4 like the major. And then 7 and 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now E minor ascending, let's try melodic. So E minor of course begin from E. Ascending means go up, we start from the bottom. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and E. So E minor come from G major. G major have F sharp. You have to put in your F sharp. Melodic ascending have to raise note number 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C sub, 7. D sub. Semitone, E to F sharp is not, F sub to G, G to A is not, A to B is not, B to C sub is also just a tone, right? It's a tone, not semitone. C sub to D sub to E. So number 2, 3, and 7, 8 for melodic ascending semitones. A minor very easy because it comes from C major, there's no sharp, no flat. Let's try harmonic. Ascending A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. And remember, when you write A minor, it comes from C major, but do not write the note C. If you write C and become C major, the name of the scales, the key note, A minor, definitely first note is A, last note also A. That's why it's called A minor. A, B, C, D, E, F, G sharp, because harmonic, raise note number 7. 2 and 3 is semitone, and then 5 and 6 is semitone, 7 and 8 also semitone. Now D minor descending, so backwards. Let's choose harmonic first. We start from D, backwards, C, B, A, G, F, E, D. D minor come from F major, you have B flat. So put in your B flat. Harmonic minor, raise note number 7. Note number 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Always count from the lower to the higher. C become C sub. So also D to E, E to F, semitone number 2 and 3, right? F to G is a tone, G to A is a tone, A to B flat is a semitone, B flat to C sub is more than a tone. So C sub to D, semitone. Last question. A minor descending. Let's choose melodic. Remember melodic descending? You just follow the key signature of your relative major. C minor, A minor come from C major, isn't it? So nothing, no sub, no flat. A start from A, end on A. A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. It has no sub, no flat in your C major. Therefore, descending also no sub, no flat. Just like this, and it's correct. Okay, remember, do not purposely bring down the 6 and 7 note like when you have the set of up and down, like this. When you have a set of up and down, because you put a sharp, then you put a natural here. But when you only have descending, there's no need to further lower it. Do not put a flat here, become lower. Okay, just follow the major key. So B to C, E to F. These two is the semitone, are the semitones.